2017 Jeep Rubicon Wrangler Unlimited. This Jeep was previously locally owned. We sold it to the previous customer about 2 years ago, almost exactly. I actually personally purchased this Jeep out of Miami, Florida, of all places, prior to selling it to him. So as you know, Florida has no rust and Miami has plenty of money. So this was already a very well accessorized Jeep Wrangler. In the 2 years he's had it, he's only put about 10 or 15,000 miles on it. Current mileage, I believe, is right at 22,000. 25,000 to be exact. He added quite a few additional upgrades. Grab handles. I believe the interior was already color matched. He may have changed that. He added a big alpine touchscreen in-dash stereo, basically like having an iPad with navigation. Big oversized Jeep floor mats front and back. Power folding rock slider steps that completely hide away. Has a ton of LED lights added, projection beam headlights, LED bumper light, LED hood light, LED roof light, light bar I should say. .35-inch tires, probably about 2 to 3 inches of lift roughly. Bistein shocks. The steps are really unique on this. If you look them up, they're extremely expensive, but well designed, so they are truly hidden and still a rock rail. Rockslide Industries engineering. Mickey Thompson tires in great shape, probably 90% tread. Fuel, color matching wheels with the red inserts. Tow package on the back, matching tire and wheel. One good looking Jeep. You don't find Rubicons very often, or we don't anyway, that aren't beat up. A lot of people use a Rubicon for a Jeep, take it off-road. As expensive as they are, it's hard to believe, but most of the Rubicons we find are kind of rough. This Jeep right here has been indoor kept. Not a single fault or flaw that I can tell on it anywhere. Absolutely no rust. Removable top. Most don't realize that some people think for some reason the Rubicon top's not removable, I guess because it's color matched, but it is still totally removable. T-top system and full top comes off. Leather's in great shape. Lots of pictures and info on the website, as always. Probably 40 or 50 photos. Sound bar. Amp underneath the seat back there. Ready to go. Very nice unit. Low miles. Clean, well kept. Davis4x4.com for details. Thanks for watching.